They ruin our makeup, contribute to breakouts and literally give us sleepless nights. What else would I be talking about? Pores, the bane of our life and a hitch in our way to having flawless skin. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you how to do a deep pore cleansing at home. But before that, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are pores? Pores are tiny openings that allow the skin to breathe, and each pore contains a hair follicle and sebaceous glands. These glands produce sebum that keeps your skin hydrated and moist. Doesn't seem like a problem, right? Wait till I tell you what happens when these pores get clogged. Clogging of pores happens when we don't regularly clean oil, dirt or dead skin cell buildup. There are multiple aspects to not cleaning pores. What happens is that makeup residue, not having a good skincare regime, bacteria, sweat, excessive oil production and even hormones result in clogging of pores. Apart from that, since we're always out and about, our skin is exposed to pollution, which by the way is another major cause for pore clogging. Reason being, pollution particles are 20 to 40 times smaller than our pores and therefore it's very easy for them to settle deep down into our skin and create problems for our skin such as clogged pores. So getting a regular facial is one of the best ways to reverse the effects of pollution and to get rid of deep set dirt to reveal a healthy complexion. But if you're anything like me, which is lazy to make an appointment at the salon, then let me show you how to do a deep pore cleansing at home. This is the Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Home Facial Kit. This facial kit contains 6 products enriched with powerful activated charcoal to help restore the glow of your skin and give yourself a salon-worthy facial in the comforts of your home. It includes Pond's Anti-Pollution Face Wash, Pond's Pollution Off Scrub, Pond's Revitalizing Creme, Pond's Deep Massage Cream, Pond's Charcoal Peel Off Mask and Pond's Pollution Protect Cream. Also guys, as you can see, each of these little minis have the steps written on it. So there'll be absolutely no confusion when you're using the products. Perfect for beginners who tend to mess up and make mistakes in the steps. And if you're traveling, this bite-sized kit is super easy to carry. First, begin with the face wash in the kit. Wet your face and lather the Pond's Anti-Pollution Face Wash on your palms. Gently massage it onto your face and neck and then rinse it off. Infused with activated carbon, it lifts off deep set impurities from the pores, leaving your skin feeling clean and soft. The second step is scrubbing. But before that, I'm going to steam my face as it helps loosening the pores so dirt and dead skin layer can come off easily. Steaming also helps in deep hydration of the skin and minimize the appearance of pores. Steaming also preps the skin for exfoliation and doesn't make it dry after the process. I would recommend steaming your face for about 2 to 3 minutes before you start scrubbing. After that, I'm going to use the Pond's Pollution Off Scrub. Take a coin-sized amount of the scrub and apply it all over your face and then massage it for about 2 minutes. This scrub is enriched with walnut shell powder that helps exfoliate dead cells and removes excess oils from your skin. Use water in between if the scrub starts feeling dry and then rinse it off. If you have super sensitive skin though, please do a patch test before using this product. Also guys, we also have another variant of this kit, which is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Skin Lightening Facial Kit. You can check out that video as well by clicking on the eye icon. The skin often feels dry and tight after exfoliating. It is important to use a revitalizing creme. Rightly so, I'm going to apply the Pond's Revitalizing Creme. It contains vitamin B3, which is anti-inflammatory, so it is useful in unclogging pores and also helps retain the skin's moisture levels. Plus, the vitamin E has moisturizing and healing properties which makes the skin smoother, something you need after a scrub. Apply on the skin, massage until it gets absorbed, and then move to the next step. The next step is using the Ponde's Deep Massage Cream. Massaging the skin improves blood circulation and reveals a healthy glow. So it is an integral part of the facial. Take a generous amount of the massage cream and apply it on the face and neck and massage it in light circular and upward strokes for 5 minutes. It feels like butter and the glycerin in it moisturizes your skin, giving it a healthy glow. Massage the product into your face for about 5 minutes and then just wipe it off gently with a soft, moist cotton pad. Now I'm going to apply the Ponde's Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Squeeze out a dime-size amount and apply a thin layer all over the face and neck. Do not apply it to the eyes. Now, because this peel-off mask has bamboo clay that draws grime, bacteria, oil and other impurities from the skin, it makes it an amazing ingredient to treat clogged pores. Keep it on for 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry. Once dry, peel it off from the chin all the way up and then wash the face with splashes of cold water, followed by patting the skin dry. Now, because this mask had clay in it, it really seems like it has sucked all the impurities from my skin, which I really like. Lastly, I'm going to finish off by applying this Ponde's Pollution Protect Creme. Just apply it all over the neck and the face area. This cream will help protect the skin from pollution and restore the lost glow. I love how my skin feels. It's soft and supple, and when I go close, I can see all the impurities have been pulled out from my pores, which is making my skin appear clean and fresh. The best part is that it wasn't drying at all and it didn't irritate my skin as well. And I feel that this can be such a great kit in your weekend pampering sessions. Also guys, this kit retails for Rs 300, plus you can reuse this kit for about 3 to 4 times. So imagine the amount of money that you will be saving. So guys, this is how to do a deep pore cleansing at home. I thoroughly enjoyed using this facial kit. If you want to buy this kit, I'm going to leave the purchasing link of this product in the description box below. Before you go, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.